Hey guys, what's up? It's Unbox Reality, and today we'll be unboxing and looking at the Echo Show 5, and ultimately, I'll share with you why I returned it after only having it for a day. So let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and get inside the box. They got a nice and easy pull tab on the bottom. And right up top you got the Echo Show 5. Wrapped up pretty good in some plastic wrap. So let's go ahead and take this off. First impression, the quality and workmanship seems pretty solid. You got your power and inputs on the back. The bottom of the unit has a rubber base, so that will keep this in one spot and from sliding off the table or nightstand or wherever you have it. You've got your volume controls up top, and also on top is a slider to cover the front-facing camera. So if you like to make sure hackers or Uncle Sam isn't looking in on you, they got you covered here. Alright, so also in the box, you've got your paperwork. Nothing exciting here. And lastly in the box you've got your power cable. To be honest, I was kinda hoping for a USB Type-C cable, but unfortunately it does not have that. So that's everything in the box. You've got the Echo Show 5, paperwork, and your power cable. Simple. Alright, so I went ahead and set this up. Setup is pretty simple and straightforward, and honestly not even worth putting in this video. So there are two main ways to access the functions of the unit. By swiping down you access brightness, do not disturb, and settings. Swiping from right to left brings up the meat of Echo Show 5's functions. So by tapping communicate, that brings up all the communication options like message, call, announce, and drop in. Pretty straightforward. By tapping smart home, that will bring up all the smart devices in your home that your Echo Show 5 is compatible with. As you can see, I have a number of Ring cameras, and this is the main reason I bought this. I wanted a central hub that my family and I could view the cameras. Whether it's my kids or a babysitter, I wanted an option for someone other than myself to check our Ring cameras if needed, without giving them full-time access on their phone. As you can see, it takes a little while to load up, but eventually it does, and it's good after that. Now by tapping music, that will take you to a screen where it'll show you the last songs you played. This is where my frustrations start to grow with this unit. The Ring camera load times are forgivable, but my music app title, I want to be able to go in and browse music. The only way to get music on this is to call out a specific song you want it to play. A lot of times I don't know what I want to listen to off the top of my head. I want to browse and see what catches my eye. Now by tapping on video, that will take you to the video app page. Prime Video and Netflix are the only ones I can get to work on here, which is another frustration. I was looking forward to having Hulu on here, but it doesn't seem like it works on the Show 5. Also, I was hoping to have access to things like HBO Max or Disney Plus on the Show 5, but it looks like those aren't available at this time. Now the alarm screen is pretty self-explanatory, so I won't go into a lot of detail there. The routine screen is where you can customize this a little bit more on how you interact with the Echo Show. But, at this point I already knew I was going to be returning this and didn't explore this too much. The overall lag and responsiveness alone was enough for me to want to return this. But combined with the loading times on my Ring cameras and other videos, and the exclusion of Hulu from the Echo Show 5, this just wasn't for me. Overall, to me, this was just extremely dated. Even for just $80 on Amazon, it's not worth it in my opinion. Alright guys, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you in the next one.